Hello students, in today's video I will be discussing with you addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. The basic principle for addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions is that only like terms can be added or subtracted. By like terms I mean the terms which have the same algebraic factors. Now, there are different methods for solving questions based on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. I will be discussing with you the row method and the column method. I will begin with monomials. Now, using the row method, when we are adding monomials, we write them sideways and we add them like we did for integers. If we are adding using the column method, for example 11a plus 5a, we will arrange them one below the other. This is the column method, and then simply add them. So my answer is coming 16a. For subtraction also we use the same method, the row method. We write the quantity sideways. 6a minus 2a is giving me 4a, or I can arrange them one below the other. Like in the second example, 11x minus 5x is giving me 6x. Now adding algebraic expressions using the row method. Now we will be discussing about binomials, trinomials and polynomials in general. The first step is collect the like terms by rearranging the terms of the expression and then simplify as required. Now I've taken an example, you will understand it over here. The question said find the sum of 3x plus 2y plus 4z and minus 7x plus 2y minus 3z. So I wrote them with the plus sign sideways. Then I rearrange the terms 3x plus minus 7x, the terms containing y now, 2y plus 2y, now the terms containing z, 4z and minus 3z. So on simplifying, I got the answer as minus 4x plus 4y plus z. Now moving on to the column method. When we are adding expressions using the column method, you need to follow the following steps. I've written the steps on the left side and I've taken an example on the right side. Arrange the given terms in descending powers of the variable. Now there are different variables. At times you may be having a cube power, a square power in the question. So the cube should come first, then the square, and then the simple x term, and then the constant term. Arrange the terms of the expression in rows, one below the other, in such a way that the like terms come under the same column. So you can see in the example, I am finding the sum of 3l minus 2m plus 5n, minus 6l plus 2m plus 4n, and minus l minus 4m and minus 8n. So I have arranged the first expression in a row, the second expression below it in such a way that the like terms are coming one under the other. Now, using the same laws as we used for addition and subtraction of integers, I will solve 3l minus 6l minus l is giving me minus 4l. Minus 2m plus 2m becomes 0m, 0 minus 4m is giving me minus 4m. Similarly, 5n plus 4n will give me 9n, 9n minus 8n will give me only n. So the final answer minus 4l minus 4m plus n. Moving on, how to subtract algebraic expressions using the row method. Now it is just similar to what we did in the addition. But over here we will write the expression to be subtracted using a bracket. Why are we using this bracket? This is because of the minus sign outside the bracket, all the signs inside have to change. So then we will open the bracket and then follow the same method, group the like terms together and simplify as required. For better understanding, I'll take an example. Subtract x cube minus 3x square plus 6x from minus 4x cube plus 2x square minus 7x. Now from is written first, so I have written minus 4x cube plus 2x square minus 7x minus the first expression in the bracket, x cube minus 3x square plus 6x. Now when I open the bracket, minus x cube plus 3x square minus 6x, the signs of the second expressions have changed. Right? Now I group the like terms together and on simplifying I have got the answer as minus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 13x. I'll explain you the column method. Subtracting algebraic expressions using the column method. Again, over here we will arrange the terms one below the other in such a way that the like terms fall under the same column. Now over here we will be having one extra step, that is, change the sign of each term of the second expression. These signs are changed because of that minus, because we have to subtract the expressions. You will understand this with the help of an example. Now you can see I have arranged the terms one below the other. 3a square minus 2a square minus 2b square minus 7ab plus 5a square plus 5b square. The term was written as such as it is in the question. Now this extra step, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, and this plus will become minus. Now we will forget the signs which the expression was carrying originally, and we will follow the new signs. So it will be 3ab plus 7ab, 10ab, minus 2a square plus 5a square minus 7a square minus 2b square minus 5b square minus 7b square. So the answer is ab minus 10ab minus 7a square minus 7b square. Hope this video will help you in understanding addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions.